Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of DaVinci Resolve for beginners. And in this episode, we're going to try creating some more customized effects which we can do out of the software DaVinci Resolve. As we had created a typewriter effect in the previous episode, and this episode, we will try to create some more, maybe a glitch effect or maybe a text over video effect. So let us go and start customizing and creating some effects. As you can see that I am already in the software interface of DaVinci Resolve. So at this time you can see we are at the exact place where we had finished editing our typewriter effect. Now to create the glitch effect, what we are going to do is we're going to go and select the text effect first, and we're going to hit the delete button, and you can see that. And to create the glitch effect, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the FX option. Here you can see, which you can find it in the top right corner. There you go. We're going to hit the FX option, and as you hit the FX option, you will be, so we can go to the text option in the titles, and you can see there is the text option, the basic text. So what I want to do next is I want to go ahead and select it and drag it on the timeline. Now after I have brought it on the timeline, I'm going to do the placement of it, and as you can see I have placed it on the correct spot. Now by default, any text which is brought to the timeline, the default time for the text is for 5 seconds. So if you want to increase it, you can just hover your mouse on the end pointer, and you can see there is the dragging option. With the use of it, you can drag and increase the length or the duration of the text. Now, after we have added the text, now we want to start creating the text option or the text glitch. Now, to begin with, we can go to the title option. Here, I want to write the title, maybe, for example, or something else, maybe. You can see that I have added the title. Now I want to go ahead and change the font. So to do it, you can go to the inspector here at the right corner, and under the video option you have the font family. Now as I click on it, I have the option to choose from the hundreds and thousands of fonts that I have. So I'm going to use this particular font, Ensign Sum. So after I have brought this font or selected the font, now I want to change the color. So I want to add a little grayish color to the frame. So maybe this is the color I want to choose. So as I have selected this color and I have chosen and applied the color, you can see that if I zoom in, you can see the color on the text. Now I want to increase the size. Now this is the size I want for my text. You can also work with the tracking, which means the distance between every word on the frame or on the video. Now you can work with the line spacing. I want in the very mixed or in the between, in the middle of my frame, so I'm gonna keep it right there. Now after I have added my text and I have modified it, now I want to go ahead and add the particular glitch effect. So to do it, what I can go is I can once again go to the FX option in the top right toolbar. There you can see as I'm hovering my mouse over it, and what I can do now is go to the toolbox options under FX, and there is the option for effects, and as I have clicked on it, there are various fusion effects. You can see the binoculars effect, the CCTV footage effect, the colored border effect, the digital glitch effect, the drone overlay effect, the DSLR effect, the DVE effect, and there are also various effects. As you can see, there are also the watermark effects. So for this video, I'm going to try to show the digital glitch effect. So what I'm going to do is I will hold it with my mouse and try to place it on the timeline or the edited text. and the timeline. As you can see, it is not going to fit on the timeline or in the text. So what I can do is, to do that, I can right click on the mouse over the text and I can choose the option for create a new compound clip. All right, so as soon as I create or click on the new compound clip, you can see I am going to start a new compound clip and I'm going to name it as the glitch effect. There you go, I have added the name of glitch effect. Now I want to hit the create button. Now as soon as I've hit the create button, what I can do is I can hold on to the digital glitch option and I can place it on the text itself, and you can see that it has started to create somewhat of a glitch on the video. As you can see, as I'm trying to drag the playhead across the timeline, you can see there is the type of glitch we just created for our video. Okay, now this is a very simple technique to add any kind of glitch, and you can use this kind of video maybe for a YouTube intro or maybe some kind of movie entry. There are various options where you can use the glitch effect, and it also goes along very well while you're trying to use it for any kind of entry or YouTube beginning. So thanks for watching this video where we would created the glitch effect on our text. So I would like to thank you for watching, and I hope that you've learned something new.